Most creators quit YouTube far too early. Not because they lack talent, not because the algorithm hates them, but because no one ever told them the truth about the first 100 videos. In this audio, I'm going to explain the hidden rule that decides whether a creator succeeds or disappears. If you're struggling with low views, zero growth, or constant doubt, this might be the most important thing you'll ever hear about YouTube. Stay till the end, because once you understand this rule, you'll stop panicking and start growing with clarity. Part 1. The big lie creators believe. Most people start YouTube believing one thing. If I upload a good video, YouTube will push it. That sounds logical, but it's not how the platform works. YouTube doesn't trust new creators. It can't. When you're new, YouTube has no data about you. No audience profile, no viewer behavior history, no proof of consistency. So instead of promoting you, the algorithm does something else. It observes. The first 100 videos are not about views. They are about learning who you are. Part 2. What the first 100 videos really are. Here's the truth no one explains clearly. The first 100 videos are training data, not for you, for YouTube. Each video teaches the algorithm who clicks your content, who watches longer, who leaves early, who comes back again. Every upload answers silent questions like, is this channel consistent? Is this creator predictable? Do viewers trust this content? That's why random viral success early is rare and dangerous. YouTube doesn't reward luck, it rewards patterns. Part 3. Why most creators fail before 100 videos. Most creators never reach 100 videos because of 3 reasons. 1. They obsess over views. They refresh analytics every hour. Low numbers destroy motivation. Emotion replaces logic. 2. They keep changing direction. One video is tech, next is motivation, then shorts, then vlogs. This confuses the algorithm and the audience. 3. They mistake silence for rejection. Low views don't mean failure, they mean insufficient data. YouTube is not ignoring you, it's still watching. Part 4. What successful creators do differently. Creators who grow understand this. They treat the first 100 videos as practice with purpose. They focus on improving hooks, studying retention, refining thumbnails, staying in one niche. They don't ask, why am I not viral yet? They ask, what signal did this video send? Every upload sharpens their system. By the time they reach 50 to 70 videos, something changes. The algorithm starts recognizing them. Audience behavior becomes predictable. Growth becomes repeatable. That's when YouTube starts pushing. Part 5. The moment everything changes. Here's the part no one warns you about. Success doesn't feel dramatic at first. One video gets slightly more impressions, another gets better retention, then suddenly one video breaks the pattern. That video doesn't go viral by accident. It goes viral because everything before it prepared the system. That's the first 100 videos rule. Not magic, not luck, but accumulated trust. At the end. If you're under 100 videos, you're not behind. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Don't rush, don't quit, don't chase trends blindly. Focus on sending clear signals again and again, because the algorithm doesn't reward talent once, it rewards commitment over time. If this audio helped you see YouTube differently, subscribe for more calm, honest explanations about growth, algorithms, and creator psychology. This is just the beginning.